Founded in 1997, Shengyuan has grown into a leader in the precision machining industry, offering high-quality, customized solutions for precision machined parts. Shengyuan provided machining services across a wide range of industries, including aerospace, semiconductor, terahertz, UAV, robotics, medical treatment, laser, new energy, and more. At Shengyuan, we provide end-to-end precision machining solutions. Our advanced capabilities include 5-axis CNC machining, prototype CNC machining, CNC milling, CNC turning, precision grinding, and wire EDM. We further support your projects with expert welding, fabrication, and mechanical assembly for complete solutions. This extensive capability allows us to handle both small and large orders with precision, ensuring high-quality results on every project. Shengyuan is certified ISO 9001, IATF 16949, S9100D, and ISO 13485. We follow strict quality control processes, including in-process inspections, first article testing, and final product inspections. We ensure timely delivery, precise workmanship, and customer satisfaction through our reliable supply chain and responsive customer service. With over 520 skilled professionals, we provide tailored solutions to meet the unique demands of each client. You can trust that your projects will be completed to the highest standards and time. Welcome to contact us. Let's talk about some details.